Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. My birthday was last week and I will keep the balloons forever. So anyways, so I just want to say my kid's sitting right there in the kitchen. So, and that's the judgy one. Everybody's got one, you know, one that is judgier than the rest. Yeah, that's that one. So if I seem a little weird, that's going to be why. Child.
Wow.
Shushy.
I'm trying to eat.
Anyways, hey, hello, and welcome to the channel. Get your coffee, get your tea, whatever it may be. Welcome to the judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Yeah, I was looking at you on that one. Anyways, today we are unboxing our ice cream beauty box for the month of June. It literally just arrived. I actually had planned on filming some other stuff, but I was like, let's go ahead and get this one up. So hopefully I can hurry up, get this filmed, edited, and uploaded to you all today, which today's Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. And just a shout out to those of you who have picked up my collection with OFRA Cosmetics. I'm still in like, oh my goodness. I'm going to be live with them today, which it would have been after the fact by the time you all see this video. But I just can't thank you all enough for your love and support on my collection. I don't know. It still boggles my brain. Like, completely boggles my brain. And I'm not gonna get emotional because this one will judge me hard. But if you do want to pick up the collection, the Inseparable Duo, they are still available with my coupon code HOTMESS. It comes to like $21 or change. You can purchase these separately if you want. And just FYI, I'm so excited that they're doing that because I use Hotmess Momma, the liquid lippy, for my blush all the time, for my eyes as well as my lips. So y'all are gonna go through this one a lot. Same with Butterfly Kisses. I top this lip gloss on everything, so you can pick it up together, try it out, test it out, and then you can pick them up like restocks individually as well. Code HOTMESS is gonna save you that 20% repeatedly. And then my Unconditional palette is available, and I think it comes to like $31 and change if you do use my coupon code. You don't have to use mine. You can use Anne's, you can use Jottie's, whoever's you want, whoever your favorite, you know, affiliate person is. But you know, support everybody. So anyways, thank you guys bunches. I will have it linked down below. I'm like starting to sweat. That's great. That's great. I'm just all over the place. So anyways, welcome to the channel. This is a monthly subscription box. It is $25. Code HOTMESS, non-affiliate code, will save you all 10% off your first box. I think it makes it around $22 or something. It is a very makeup heavy subscription. You always receive a palette in it. It is one of my favorite subscriptions because they do a lot of indie makeup in this subscription box, and that's how I have found out about some of the different indie brands out there, like Saints, Angels, and Sinners, I think is the brand name. Beautiful, beautiful things. They've actually sent me some PR I need to show you all. They, Gourmet Girls was another one that was in here. Baby child, I'm gonna need you to silence that. Anyways, mom life, you know what I mean? As per the shade in my palette. Kids. So anywho, we're gonna get into that today, but I did just want to keep thanking you guys so much for this collection because it just, I put my heart into this collection. And I mean, I think you guys can kind of tell by the names of everything in here. So anyways, I'm a little thrown off. Don't forget to check me out on my other channels. Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. I just did an Old Navy haul that went up last night, and Shaper Mint came out with a new one-piece jumper that is so flipping cozy. I actually have the Shaper Mint cami on today, very comfortable. And then Hotmess in the kitchen, I am actually in the middle of filming a what I eat in a day and kind of like my little workout, if you will. It's nothing crazy, so that will be going up eventually as well as other stuff. So anyways, when we open it up, Ice Cream Beauty Box always packages everything wonderfully. So I do want to give a shout out before I get into the shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You guys don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thank you to what I like to call my thanks crew, those of you that do hit the thanks button to just tip the channel or donate to the channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Please never feel like you have to, but just know that I I do my best to see you all, and I appreciate you guys too, so thank you guys. All right, so like I said, this is the June box. They do have now like a little postcard in here, and this is June Chrome Addict, and it does give you like a list of everything in here, the prices and everything, which is always nice. The first item that I see right on top is the ZC, I think, Interstellar Highlight Powder. I don't know nothing about that. Let's see. See, that's what I'm talking about. It's always like new brands, and I think that that's exciting. Oh my gosh, look how flippin' cute. Okay, so literally right off the bat, first, it's not cheap feeling. It's definitely heavy, and the color looks just like the Rare Beauty highlighter, doesn't it? Which I want that so bad, but it's always sold out every time. So it's not like insanely, like, I guess it's definitely buildable. It's actually pretty. All right, so it's not crazy blinding. I think like what I was expecting, I was kind of expecting more of like a cream to powder kind of feel, so I think that threw me off. But it is pretty, and the more you rub it in there, the more it builds up, and it's nice and shiny. It's a nice, delicate, dewy kind of look. I mean, the packaging is so cute. All right, so just FYI on that, this does have a retail value of $35. Another new launch in this box. You are the very first to receive this product. It's an adorable shape. Highlighter, makes a great variety topper, but most importantly, the product itself is very luxurious. I mean, I will say, like, I get that. Because I literally, when I first saw it, my first thought was like, oh, it's like a bubblegum machine type of toy, if you will. But I mean, it definitely is not. And I mean, like I said, it is pretty. I think I just expected it to be more like, you know what I mean? Just because I see like the space thing, and I go to like Teresa's Dead when she talks about highlighters like beaming to outer space. So in my head, that's where I was putting it. Okay, next in here we've got some shifty little highlighters, I believe. It says Duochrome Sparkle Shadows by some, I don't know how to say that, Shantico. Do you guys see? They're really pretty. They off the bat like give me mermaid vibes. I'll swatch them for you guys. These do have a retail value of $38, and it is their continuation of their partnership with Shantico Beauty. It's another new launch. These duochrome shadows are the next level, creamy and sparkly. There are 4 total shades available. This one is Magnificent.
Sorry.
Oh, what?
Okay.
That's actually really pretty. That's what I was expecting the highlighter to kind of look like. So, ooh, that, honestly, that is really flipping gorgeous. You see that blindingness? That is so pretty. So you can see the different shifts in there. I mean, I don't know necessarily if my camera is picking it up, but it's there. That's pretty. This next one is called Moonshine. Ooh, that one's even creamier. Oh, that is going to be gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Look at that shift. Hold on, let me hold this up. Oh, that is really pretty. See how fun? Okay, I really like that. I think, honestly, if you picked up my palette, these would be a perfect complement to my palette. All right, next in here, it looks like we've got a lipstick by Okalan. Oh, it's a glitter lipstick by Okalan. It does have a retail value of $5. A very budget-friendly glitter lipstick. The glitter is just for show, and the actual lipstick does not put any glitter on your lips. This is a satin lipstick and does not dry down to a matte. All 6 shades will be available on their website. That is the nice thing with Eyescream Beauty Box, is you can shop on their website. So this is in the shade Naked, and I've used OFRA Cosmetics for a long time. This is really pretty, but I am going to just go ahead and put it in a giveaway because I know I'll never use that color. I mean, you guys know I'm pretty neutral. So I think it's really pretty, but like I said, I've used Okalan products, from eyeshadows to their facial products to lip stuff, and it's good, and it is really nice and affordable. Next in here, we have got the Charmacy double-headed stick. I guess this is a duochrome stick. I love how everything is literally themed once again. So their June box is all Chrome Addict. Everything is chrome. Like, that's cute. I told you guys, I really feel like Eyescream Beauty Box puts a lot of thought into their subscription. Like, they don't just chuck a bunch of stuff in the box and like, oh, there's your subscription, you know? Like, I feel like they really coordinate everything well. Ooh, okay, I'm excited for this. So I don't really know this brand, Duochrome Stick by Charmacy Milano. So this is what it looks like up close, and then on one side, it's that color. Oh, it's like a really pretty, almost like an iridescent-y color. I don't know if the camera will really pick that up, but it's a shifty shade. It's, I mean, you see pinks and purples in there as well. And then this one is, ooh, it's kind of like Space Galaxy. Oh, that's pretty. It's like silver, but maroon, blues. I like that. And it was comfortable too. And you're going to be able to like blend that out or blend it together. So that is really pretty. I like that a lot. A little information on that because I forgot to read it. This is a $14 retail value. These multi-chrome sticks can be used as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow, or one end can be used as a highlighter, which I could definitely see that for sure. Then we've got the other side contains the lighter duochrome. There's 6 total shades of these sticks available. So very cute. And then last, as always, we always get a palette. This is the Visage, I think is how you say it, Beauty Moon Cosmetics times Eyescream Beauty Box. How cool is that? So it's like a collaboration with Eyescream Beauty Box. So here's what the palette looks like. You do get a sleeve. This does show that it's cruelty-free and vegan as far as on the back of the packaging of the sleeve. It is in your standard type of cardboard packaging. Ooh, this is pretty. Me and greens. I love greens. Look at that. Like, I immediately am gravitating towards that yellowy green color. Let's go ahead and swatch this. So you do have a mix of, it looks like you got 3 mattes in here and the rest are like shimmers. I would have to assume maybe some of them are shifty shades too. That's really pretty. They feel nice. They're not like too crazy dry or anything. So there's those. I'm gonna do the black shade last. Ooh, that shade, flipping gorgeous. Oh gosh, crazy pigmented. So there's those. I love this shade right here. Absolutely love that. You're fine, honey. I was like, you were trying to be quiet, but it sounded like slow mode. This shade and this shade is not as creamy as the other. Oh, but there's your duo. That is like a Pat McGrath duo. I know I have that. God, that is gorgeous. That, you can't even see it, but it is literally like, think of an oil puddle, like if you see oil from a car, like motor oil, and the sun hits it and it shifts all those different colors. That's legitimately what this looks like. That is freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna skip this darkest shade right now because I don't see. Yeah, that's nice and creamy. I'll do the black shade last. So the mattes, I don't know, they all feel really nice. Just this one felt a little bit on the dry side, but I think it's probably because of, oh yeah, because it swatches great. Probably because of what it is. Guess I shouldn't swatch over that. Golly, geez, I've never heard of this brand, but the shadows feel really nice. Like they swatch really nice. I know swatches don't tell the full story. Let me swatch that last shade for y'all. But I feel like these are gonna work really well. I mean, look at that. The pigmentation is definitely there. You can definitely build that up. I'm just kind of going over it. But you guys can see. that is so fun. That's what I'm talking about with Ice Cream Beauty Box. I feel like whether you're paying monthly $25 or you sign up and, you know, pay less because you pay, I don't know, 3, 6, 9 months, whatever it is, or it's your first time and you're paying 22 bucks because of the coupon, I think you're really going to be happy with everything. This does have a retail value of $30. It's their latest collaboration, is with Beauty Moon Cosmetics. It's a popular UK-based indie brand, and the palette features matte shimmers and multi-chromes. These multi-chromes shift between 3 to 4 colors depending on the light. Yeah. And there is a mirror in here as well. It's not like a funhouse mirror. It's actually one that you could actually use. So that is actually a really pretty palette. I'm very happy with this. Good job, Ice Cream Beauty Box. I told you all, the past, like, I don't know, I think all of 2023, like, they went out with a bang in 2022 and they just keep coming back strong every single month. So if you are looking for a good, consistent subscription box that I really truly feel like puts their heart and soul into choosing their products, and I'm not being paid for this, they did send it in PR, but I'm not being paid, I'm not sponsored, I don't get any affiliation, nothing. I'm just truly telling you all, I do really truly believe that Ice Cream Beauty Box is a good subscription and really puts thought into their boxes. So if you are interested, I'll have a link down below with the coupon code. More or less, the coupon code just tells them that I sent you their way. So let me know, what is your favorite product if you've tried this out, if you've already received your Ice Cream Beauty Box. What was your favorite product that you received this month? I'll tell y'all, the brands that I am learning through Ice Cream Beauty Box, I've been really happy with. Like I told y'all, the Gourmet Girls, the Saint Sinners, or Saint Angels and Sinners, like, there's a really slew of great indie brands that are coming to Ice Cream Beauty Box, and I really like that. So anywho, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys bunches and bunches if you made it to the end. And again, if you are interested in picking up my collection with OFRA, hey, shout out to you all. You sold out the PR bundle. I was shook. It wasn't even, we launched at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I think Eastern time, and I think it was like by 8 o'clock that night the PR bundles were sold out. You guys, I cried. I did a lot. I've done a lot of crying because I was so scared and so worried, because I feel like OFRA's just, they took a chance on me. I'm not a big creator. I'm not huge whatsoever. So I was really worried because I got to meet everybody at OFRA's facility, and you know, I got to tour the factory and learn, you know, and talk to different workers there and how long they had been there. And I'm like, oh my gosh, no pressure, because like, they're family, you know. So I can't thank you guys enough for picking up my bundle. It truly means the world to me, and seeing you guys tagging me, I'm a little behind, and I apologize for that. I'm trying to get through the comments on all the channels and all the social media outlets, but just know that I appreciate you all, and it just truly means so much to me. And I don't know, I'm being cheesy because Judgy McJudgersons is over there. So anyways, thank you once again to my YouTube members for absolutely everything. Thank you to those of you that do hit that thanks button. I greatly appreciate it. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls over there, and of course Hotmess in the Kitchen, and then on my socials, Hotmess Momma 04 on TikTok and Instagram. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye friends.